Ashley is singing "You're Beautiful." It's gonna be awesome.
It's true.
That was funny.
Oh, I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean to do that either.
Because that's the lyrics. Get it? Okay, press play.
I'm funny.
Yep. We're just hysterical.
I'll control the volume, please.
Sorry. Can control the volume.
My life is brilliant. Jamming out.
Yeah, buddy.
My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel. Of that I'm sure. She smiled on the subway. She was with another man. But I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. Beautiful. I love your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Don't laugh at me. I know I suck. I know I suck. Yes, she caught my eye as I walked on by. She could see on my face that I was flying high. I don't think that I will see her again, but I shared a moment that will last till the end. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw her face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
Yay!
There must be an angel with a smile on her face when she thought I should be with you. But it's time to face the truth. I will never be with you.
Yay! Woo!
Stop! I sucked!
Say peace.
Peace!